It's Colin from Wurth, and as you would have seen, the month of September at Wurth Australia, it's been PPE month. And the amount of calls and discussions our sales representatives have had with customers about our PPE range has been unbelievable, because people didn't know we had such a vast range of gloves, hearing protection and glasses. They've asked me to run through a couple of my favourites. So I'll start with the gloves. So if I'm just doing general maintenance work, the Wurth TIGERFLEX gloves. They're fantastic, they're comfortable, they've got a nice tight band to stop anything falling down, and they've got the nitrile grip inside here, the TIGERFLEX grip, which makes them really good if you're in wet hands or oil and things like that. Now, if I am working with something sharp, knives, glass, sheet steel, stuff like that, I really like our Cut F, these red gloves. They've got the maximum cut protection rating that we can get. But the dexterity, you can feel everything you're picking up. They're not really thick. So with the maximum cut protection, but that fantastic dexterity, I really rate these gloves. But of course, if I'm welding or using chemicals, we have gloves to suit those as well. With the hearing protection, I do like just the quick little screw up little plugs you put in your ear, because they're quick, easy, they're lightweight, and they don't really interfere with you know what I mean? So they're quite comfortable. But if I want some serious hearing protection, I like our Sniper earmuffs. They're just comfortable to wear, and they do block out the sound so very, very well. And then we come over to eye protection. We all know that I wear glasses for reading. So when I'm working up close, I like the ERGO glasses, because these ones just fit straight over my glasses and I can still see when I'm working up close. But if I'm not wearing my glasses, I particularly like our premium with the bronze tint, because outside they give me protection from the glare, but when I come inside where it's a bit more gloomy, I can still see what I'm doing. So that's the PPE range. So it wouldn't be a product tutorial if I didn't give something away. And this week, I'm going to give away these fantastic Wurth PPE safety glasses. They're quite stylish and they fit very comfortably. Now, to get your hands on a set of these, simply go to the Wurth app or eShop and place an order for a value of $150 or more, excluding GST. When you get to the checkout, type in "G'day Glasses." And then we'll send you your order and your free pair of potatoes. So if you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section. Don't forget to like our page, and the Wurth PPE range, it's ready for work.